like it. It's subtle, and it matches my shirt. So, we did good, y'all. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am not wearing any makeup right now because we're about to do, like, a look. Like, this is going to be a look. So, Crystal Ryan is one of my friends here on YouTube. She is also another YouTuber, and she recently reached 100, well, that's doubled now, but she recently reached 100 subscribers and had a really fun giveaway on her channel, and I was one of the winners, and I'm super excited. So I actually won Take Me Back to Brazil from BH Cosmetics from her. Thanks, Krystal! And she did a video where she had a random number generator pick colors from this palette, and she created a look with that. And to thank her for this palette and to also join in on that fun, because that was a really fun video, I'm going to link her channel and that video below so you can go watch both of those. Check her out because she's amazing. And I am going to be doing the exact same thing with this. So she actually had a color for a certain area. I'm just going to do 5 colors and just create a look with 5 colors. And we are tropical today, even though it is fall. I am in a bright shirt. I don't even know what colors I'm going to pick, but I am wearing hot pink lipstick. So get ready for a very bright look in the middle of fall. If you could see outside my window, it is so dark because it's just nasty and rainy and gross and disgusting outside. But anyways, also, I am making myself tan for this, so I'm going to be using the darkest shade that I have, which is this Dior sample thingy-majiggy in some color. I'm going to be looking very tropical, so tan and everything. So this is the palette right here. Oh, let's take that out. Look how bright this is. I mean, holy smokeroonies. I did a couple swatches of these already. They are pigmented. I am really excited. So the way that I'm actually going to do this is I'm going to count all the colors of the palette, and we will just be going in the order this way, including these 3 down here. So let's get to it, shall we? This is going to be very exciting. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and pick the colors, and then I'm going to start the makeup look, and we're going to go from there. So, let's do this. Oh my goodness, I'm so nervous. Alright, I probably should figure out how many colors are in this palette first. Alright, there's 35 colors in this beautiful rainbowy palette, so including those 3 there at the bottom. So I'm going to go ahead and start at 35, and we're going to pick 5 from there, and we're doing this together. This is, okay, minimum 0, max 35. Obviously that's from an older thing. So let's go ahead and randomize 11. Alright, let's see what 11 is. First color is this really pretty orange right here, and this is a shimmer. Yeah, that's a shimmer. So, okay, we've got number 1, 11. Second one is 30. Alright, so 30 is this shimmer green shade here. Okay, so we got green and orange so far. Next one is 35. Okay. So, we have this iridescent green shade here on the bottom for 35. Next is 3. Oh my goodness. Okay. Y'all, this is going to be very bright. I'm dry. That's gone forever. Alright, 3 is this kind of marigold yellow here. Alright, you guys, there's 1 color left. 23. 23 is this blue, which is a matte kind of purpley cobalt, I guess you could say, but it has a teeny tiny bit of sparkles in it, I think probably just to make it a little bit softer. I don't think those will show up. show up. So I'm going to swatch all the colors real quick on my hand so you can see them. I mean, that's going to be a look. So let's figure out how to make this work. Alright, so I didn't do my face because I'm not too sure if this is going to be super fallout and like become a rainbow mess all over everything on my base. So we're going to do the eyes first. I'm going to put on the makeup and then I'm going to do the under eyes. So if I don't get to all the colors on like the upper portion of my eye, it's because I'm saving those for the lower lash line. So we're going to go ahead and start the eyes and I'll be right back so I can prime my lids and set them and everything. We are fairly close to my face. I apologize. So we're going to start with the transition color, which is normally the lightest color. And my lightest color is that marigold yellow here. It is really bright, which is this kind of marigold yellow here. So we are going to start with this transition color. That was just one coat. Can we just say whoa for that pigmentation? That's yellow, y'all. Well, that escalated quickly. Let's start with the second transition color, and let's see, out of the colors on my hand, I think I want to start deepening that color up with that orange. So we're gonna go in with orange now. Oh my goodness. Alright, so now I'm actually going to go in with this shade right here. Alright, I think what I'm going to do, because I have that shimmery green, is I'm just going to pop a little bit of green right here. And then I will save the rest of some of the colors for the lower lash line. So let's do that real quick. So this is really fun so far. Green, orange, yellow. Alright, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean up this edge here and kind of make this look like it's eyeliner. And then I am going to make myself tan, and I'll be right back. Alright, so I have warmed up my face and put on foundation and everything, and made me look like I'm on a tropical vacation. And the colors we have left are this blue, and I think I can marry that into this look on my lower lash line. So what I'm going to do is start with that orange, and then I'm going to do some blue and green on the bottom, and hopefully I don't look like a crazy person. Alright, now I am connecting that green to this green in the corner here, and I'm just kind of dragging it below the blue, and then I'm going to use that iridescent green. Alright, now I'm adding that iridescent green shade right here to this lower area of the lash line. I think to pull in that blue, I'm going to add in a blue eyeliner, and I actually use this one all the time. It's getting so small. But it's the Marcel waterproof eyeliner in Electric Blue. Alright, I'm going to add some really intense lashes, and ooh, I didn't put an eyeliner. I think I'm just going to put that blue along my lash line at the top as an eyeliner. Alright, I actually messed around a little bit with my lighting and zoomed you back out since we're no longer doing the eyes, and this is the eye look. So, yeah. I didn't want to use anything extra like eyeliner, so that is kind of just going to stay a slight kind of green wing, and I did put blue on the lower lash line. And I put on some really ridiculous lashes because we're bright. So now instead of doing that pink, I decided to do this kind of shimmery coral. And then for the lip, we are going with that. So let's do this. Oh, and you know, obviously I'm going ham on my highlighter, and I'm gonna see if you can actually see it with this new lighting setup. So let's do this blush, ladies. Alright, so I'm going in with Sleek makeup, and I am going to be doing, I think we're just gonna go with this really intense purpley shade. I don't know why, just because this seems to be the most like intense color out of all these highlighters. Let's go in with that lip, which is Colourpop in Reverie, and it is a very bright corally orange. Oh, okay. Alright, well this is the final look, and let me know what you guys think of this, because this was a lot of fun to do, and I would never put these colors together. It's very tropical, it's very bright, and you know what? I think if you were to do that with every color in this palette, they would all work together. Sometimes when you blended them, they kind of change the color of the original color you were putting on, so it gives you more colors than you actually did. So yeah, I'm kind of impressed with myself. I would have probably done like an eyeliner to swoop out and put underneath this green here just to make that stand out, but I really just wanted to use all the colors of the palette, and I didn't want to do that blue out here. So I like it. It's subtle, and it matches my shirt. So we did good, y'all. Anyways, if you like this video, like, subscribe, head on over to Krystals' channel. She'll be in the description box, and thank you so much, Krystal, for giving me this beautiful palette. I will be using this so much next spring and summer because I wear all the colors on my lids now, but I wear all the colors on my lids in spring and summer. So head on over to her channel, take a look at that video as well, give her some love, and then keep an eye out for my next video. I post every Sunday/Monday and every Thursday, and I will see you in my next video. Bye! You like that pimple right there? And that pimple? And that pimple? And that pimple? Whatever. This is the palette, because I punched myself in the face with the palette. So, there's our third blah. Okay. Oh no. lagging. Oh gosh, that looks so bright right here. This is why I don't normally record me putting on makeup, because I look very scary. And this is a very sheer kind of fountain. Why does my voice sound like an old man? Was that in your list the whole time? If you decide to do this kind of little... Gosh, it's so cold in here. I did not exfoliate my lips. There's no sun in my sunroom and it's so cold. Now we go to Walgreens. This is a look. Maybe I should take it out first. Nope, we're going! Hi, I'd like to pick up some medication. What are you... What? I need to medicate myself because... Honey. Hello. I need my medicine.